Hello students, welcome to All About Nursing channel. So today's video is going to about anatomy of human heart. So we all know that human heart or heart is our major vital organ. So it is situated. We all know that it is situated in the breastbone, behind the breastbone, in the chest wall, and it is just behind the sternum, that is mediastinum. So that we can see it is situated in the chest wall in between two lungs. In both sides there is two lungs. In between two lungs the heart is situated, and it is slightly left sided from the sternum. And we can see that this is the apex of the heart and this is the base of the heart. And if we connect a imaginary line, so we can see this is the long axis heart and this is the long axis of the body. Okay, so this is the diaphragm. By the red line you can see this is called diaphragm. So heart is situated just above the diaphragm. Okay, so heart is situated at the above of the diaphragm, in between two lungs, slightly left sided from the sternum in the mediastinum. So that is the location of heart. So we all know that heart is a hollow muscular organ. So it acts as a motor system. Okay, so it has a hollow muscular structure and it looks like a fist of human hand. So if we are making a fist of our hand, so it looks just like that fist. Okay, so the structure of heart, if we basically in the picture you can see the coronary circulation, so it will discuss in next class. So here the arteries, different branches are there, the name of the arteries are there. In the anterior view we can see this kind of artery, and this is the posterior view. So from the posteriorly we can see this is the venous drainage. So basically it is the venous drainage of the heart. So we will discuss this later. So coming to the internal structure of heart, so if we make a dissection of the heart, human heart, so we can see easily that heart has four chambers, that we all know. So the left, there are left portion and right portion. So the left sided heart deals with the oxygenated blood and the right portion of the heart deals with the deoxygenated blood. So you can easily see in the picture the right portion is color coded at blue because of it carries the deoxygenated blood. It deals with the deoxygenated blood, and the left portion deals with the oxygenated blood. That's why it is red in color. Okay, so we will start from the right portion of the heart. Okay, so in the right section of the heart, so there are right atrium, right ventricle, and between right atrium and right ventricle there is a valve. You can see in the white, that is denoted in the white A. So there is a valve that is the atrioventricular. So it is called the tricuspid valve. Okay, the name of the valve is the tricuspid valve. Okay, this is present here. So divide the atrium and ventricle. So coming to the right ventricle, right atrium, the blood from the upper part of the body. So from the upper part of the body, the head, neck, or chest, upper shoulder. So from there, all the deoxygenated blood from the by the venous drainage, all the deoxygenated blood came through. This is called superior vena cava. So by the superior vena cava, all the deoxygenated blood through the venous drainage came through the superior vena cava into the right atrium. So there is an opening, you can see. So it is the opening of the superior vena cava. This is the opening. Okay. So here the all the blood came into the right atrium. Same as from the lower part of the body, lower portion, all the blood, deoxygenated blood from the legs, from the thigh, from the femoral area, from the abdomen, so from the all the area, so lower part of the body, all the deoxygenated blood came into the right atrium through this inferior vena cava into the right atrium. Okay. So all the blood came into the right atrium, so the valve that is called tricuspid valve, which became opened. So when it opens, all the blood came, all the blood came into the right ventricle. So all the blood came into the right ventricle, and when it fills the the pulmonic the pulmonic valve that is present at the opening of the pulmonary artery. So this is the pulmonary artery, you can see. So it opens into the right ventricles. So this is the right ventricle, so here it opens. So here it present the pulmonic vein. So by the opening of the pulmonic vein, all the blood goes to the pulmonary artery, and the pulmonary artery divided into two branches. Okay, one is the left and one is the right. So the left branch, left pulmonary artery, carries all the deoxygenated blood to the left lung, and all the deoxygenated blood goes to the right lung by the right pulmonary artery for the purification, for the oxygenation. So when it became purified, all the purified or the oxygenated blood came into the left atrium. This is the left atrium, you can see. So it came into the left atrium through, so from the lungs, it is the from the right and from the left, both lung, from the lungs, all the oxygenated blood came into the left atrium through four pulmonary vein. You can see in the picture, this and this is the two which came from the left lung, and these two pulmonary vein came from the right lung. So four pulmonary veins open into the left atrium. So all the oxygenated blood came into the left atrium. When it fills, there is a valve between left atrium and the left ventricle. The valve name is mitral valve. So valve became opened. So all the blood came into the left ventricle. So when the left ventricle became fulfilled, so all the blood goes to the arch of aorta. So this is the arch of aorta which opened into the left atrium. So you can see it opens into the left ventricle. Left ventricle. So by the opening of the aortic valve, so the when where the arch of aorta open into the left ventricle, so there is a valve called aortic valve. So aortic valve become opened, and all the blood goes to the arch of aorta, and from there the blood goes to the whole body for the circulation, for the oxygenation, nutrients, and one branch goes to the coronary circulation. So we supply the heart, the oxygenated blood to the heart for the for nutrients and the oxygen. So this is the circulation and the chambers and the parts of the heart. Okay. Circulation, which I already discussed, so that is shown in this picture with the different arrows. So the gray or the black arrow shows the deoxygenated blood, movement of deoxygenated blood, and the red arrows denotes the oxygenated blood movement. Okay, same you can see. So this is the movement of blood, the circulation of blood. So further discussion will be going on in the next video. Thanks for watching.